Example number 6, we want to solve for the system. I already put in the matrix form. Now we need to do 1 at this location, but we already have 1. We want this location and this location to be 0. So you imagine we have 1x for the first row, and then 2x, and then 3x. So we will use 1, and we call 1 is the leading coefficient 1. So we will use it to make 0. So let's look at the second one. We will multiply by -2 for the first one, and then add them up. So, and then put it in row 2. So row 2 equal multiply -2 for row number 1, and then add row 2. And we look at row 3, which is 3x. So we make x go away. We will multiply the first one by -3 and add them up. So -3 times row 1 plus row 3. And we will put the result in. For the first step, we do row 2 and put the result for row 3. Okay, now we show the work. Multiply -2 for row 1. So we have 2 double, right? So let's double first. 2, 16, and multiply by -2. That means the side will be opposite. And then add row 2. So we have 2, 3, -1, -2. So we get 0, 5, -3, and -18. And for row 3, we multiply by 3 row 1. So triple first. So 3, 3, 3, 24. The side multiply by negative. So we do opposite. And then we add row 3. So 3, -2, -9, 9. So we have 0, 1, -12, and -15. 0, 1, -12, and -15. So we're done with the first column. Now the second column, right here, we want this location to be 1 and this location to be 0. And you notice that we already have 1, so we will switch the row number 2 and row number 3. So row 2 switching with the row 3. Okay. So we will copy the first one again, and now we switch in the row. So 0, 1, -12, -15, 0, 5, -3, -18. And then this location, we want it to be 0. We will use the leading one right here. So you think about like this. This is mean 1y and 5y. So to make y go away, we need to multiply by -5 for the second row and add them up, right? So we write out the formula. So row 3 equal multiply -5 for row 2 and then add row 3. Multiply by -5 for row 2, it will become 0, -5, 60, 75. And then we can write out row 3 again. Now add them up. So we get 0, 0, 57, and 57. Okay, so we're done with the second column. Now the third column, this is the third column, and we want this location to be 1. So you write it like this. So 5, 7z equal 57. So how do we make 1? We will divide both sides by 57 or multiply by 1 over 57, right? So we write it down in row number 3. We will multiply by 1 over 57 times row 3. So 1, -1, 1, 8, 0, 1, -12, -15. So 0 for the whole row. So multiply by 1 over 57. And that's it. We already have rows epsilon form. Now you write down the x, y, and z. -1y plus z equal to 8. Y minus 12z equal -15. And z equal to 1. So we will plug back in. So z equal to 1. We plug back into the y. So y equal positive 12z minus 15. So 12 times 1 minus 15 is -3. And you plug both of them into the x, and you will get x equal 4. The answer for this problem is 4, -3, and 1.